Accra Academy is represented by
Tibuda Korechmon, final year.
Awuye Marcelinus Agbenyega, final year.
Great, Accra Academy. Find the shortest wavelength in the Bremsstrahlung spectrum produced by electrons accelerated from rest through a potential difference of 25 kilovolts. Yes, Sibu.
The wavelength is 5.0 times 10 exponent negative 11 meters. 5.0 times 10 exponent negative 11 meters.
Yes, you are right. 30 seconds with a preamble to all schools. Preamble. Solve the equation for real values of x. Solve the equation for real values of x. That's the preamble. So now, Accra Academy. Absolute value of the expression x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 4. Miscellaneous.
X is such that x equals 3.
I'll give you 2 out of 3. All right, next set, 10 seconds with a preamble to all schools. Preamble. State the following laws in genetics. State the following laws in genetics. So I'll give you the name of the law, you state it. All right, so Accra Academy. Law of dominance. Yes, Tibu.
The law of dominance states that for any trait, the characteristic is determined by two alleles, where one allele marks the effect of another, hence expressing itself in the presence of the other.
Again.
Law of dominance states that for any trait, the characteristic is determined by two alleles, where one allele is dominant and marks the effect of the other allele in its presence.
I'll give you 2 out of 3. Accra Academy. The focal length in air of a plano-convex thin lens made of glass of refractive index 1.60 is 18.0 centimeters. What is the magnitude of the radius of its curved surface? Yes, Tibu.
10.8 centimeters.
You are right. Kumasi Secondary Technical. The surfaces of a biconvex thin lens have radii of magnitude 20.0 centimeters and 10.0 centimeters, and the refractive index of the glass the lens is made of is 1.45. Please find the focal length of the lens.
So,
Tony.
the focal length is 11.1 centimeters.
That's incorrect. Yes, which of you, please? Sibu?
14.8 centimeters.
Yes. Next set, 30 seconds. I have a preamble to all schools. Preamble. Find a function g of x such that f of g of x is equal to x given. All right, so now Accra Academy. F of x is equal to 3 over the expression 2x plus 1. Yes, Sibu.
G of x equals a fraction with numerator 3 minus x and denominator 2x.
Yes. Next set, 30 seconds. Accra Academy. Concentrated trioxonitrate 5 acid reacts with tin to give tin 4 oxide, nitrogen 4 oxide, and water. Please give a balanced equation for the reaction. Yes, miscellaneous.
I have 4HNO3 plus SN going into SnO2 plus 4NO2 plus 2H2O.
Yes. Kumasi Secondary Technical. Tin 4 sulfide dissolves in aqueous OH minus to give a mixture of SnS3 2 minus and hexahydroxystannate 4 ion. Give a balanced equation for the reaction. Yes, judges.
Madam, please, the equation is 3SnS subscript 2 plus 4OH exponent negative 1 going into 2SnS subscript 3 exponent 2 negative plus into bracket SnOH minus subscript 2.
That's incorrect for a bonus. Yes, which of you? Tibu.
3SnS2 plus 6OH minus going to 2SnS3 subscript 2 minus plus Sn open bracket OH subscript 6 subscript 2 minus.
Yes. The next set, 30 seconds with a preamble to all schools. Preamble. Find the coordinates of the point or points of inflection of the given curve. So I'm going to give you a curve. Please find the coordinates of the point or points of inflection of the curve. All right. Your curve, Accra Academy. Y is equal to x raised to the power 4 minus 6x cubed plus 12x squared. Yes, Sibu.
So we have the coordinates of the points of inflection to be. The first coordinate being 1,7, and then the second coordinate being 2, negative 12.
All right, 2 out of 3. Kumasi Secondary Technical. Your curve. Y is equal to x raised to the power 4 minus 6x squared plus 2x. Yes, Sibu.
The coordinate is 1, negative 3, and negative 1, negative 7.
You're right. H3PO3 has 2 pKa's. pKa1 is 2.00 and pKa2 is 6.60. Calculate the pH of 0.100 mole per decimeter cube solution of NaH2PO3. Tibu.
The pH equals 3.80.
Loudly.
3.80.
Yes. Kumasi Secondary Technical. Calculate the pH of 0.100 mole per decimeter cubed aqueous solution of ethyl amine, whose pKb is 3.37. Judges.
Madam, the pH is 5.82.
That's incorrect for a bonus. Which of you? Yes, Sibu.
11.8. 11.8.
You're right. Last set of questions for the round. And it comes with a preamble. Preamble to all schools. I'm going to be giving you options, okay? You will receive a set of options when I get to your school. Choose the odd one and give a reason for your choice out of the options I give you. Please, do you have your preamble? Great. So, Accra Academy, your options. Arthritis, That's A. A, arthritis. B, osteoporosis. C, rickets. D, atherosclerosis. Yes, Marcellinus.
D, atherosclerosis. And this is because the rest of the diseases affect bones.
Yes. Why does the rate of photosynthesis decrease at higher Yes, Tibu.
At higher temperature.
Photosynthesis is catalyzed by certain enzymes such as ribose biphosphate carboxylase. And these enzymes work within a particular temperature range. Thus, they require an optimum temperature to act. So when temperature increases, the enzymes, since they contain proteins, are denatured. Hence, they are not able to catalyze the process of
Next one. Alumina is electrolyzed in its molten form as a solution in molten cryolite, Na3AlF6. What is the purpose of having... Yes, go ahead.
Okay, so
No.
the cryolite that is present inside helps the aluminium to have a very low melting point so that the aluminium can easily be recovered from the mixture. That's the slag. After the electrolysis after electrolysis has taken place, so the cryolite helps to reduce the melting point of the aluminium metal inside the mixture.
I'm not accepting it. So did the rest of you ring? You didn't ring. So let me finish. What is the purpose of having cryolite in the molten alumina? Yes, Sibu.
molten cryolite acts as an impurity, which decreases the melting point of the alumina in the electrolytic cell, hence reducing the energy required to decompose the alumina into its constituents Al3 plus and O2 minus.
Yes. Next set, 30 seconds each. For the first one, please give your answer in order. All right? Give in order, proper order. And this is the question. Find the first three terms of the sequence defined by UN is equal to cosine of the expression n pi over 6. Yes, Tony.
Yeah. And the first three terms of this sequence, root 3 over 2, comma, root 3, comma, 3 root 3 on 2.
No. Who next? Yes, Accra Academy, Tibu.
The first three terms are root 3 over 2, 1 over 2, and 0.
You are right. Next one, please be formal with your answer. Be formal with your answer. Find the solution set of the compound inequality. And the inequality is negative 15 less than 3, the expression 3x minus 6, less than 9. Yes.
I have x to be such that negative 3 less than x less than 5.
Yes. A function is even if its graph is symmetric about the x-axis. Marcellinus.
False.
You're right. The flippers of dolphins and the legs of horses are analogous structures. Marcellinus.
False.
You're right. A matrix has an inverse if its determinant is 0. Yes, Marcellinus.
False.
You're right. Ionic compounds are soluble in both water and organic solvents. Yes, Marcellinus.
False.
Yes. Photorespiration increases with increase in availability of oxygen. Marcellinus.
True.
Yes. Last set of statements for the round, and there's a preamble to all schools. Preamble. The thermal conductivity of a gas is proportional to its molar heat capacity at constant volume and inversely proportional to the product of the square of its molecular radius and the square root of its molar mass. The thermal conductivity of helium gas is less than the thermal conductivity of hydrogen gas. Marcellinus?
True.
Yes, you are right. I am a fluid-like substance. I am neither liquid nor gas. I am composed of positive and... Yes, Marcellinus?
Plasma.
You are right.